Yes, we're eating, guys. Mga kabardad. Oh, kain na. Kain na tayo. Mekus na. Eat while you can. Where is it, Mike? Ito mo biyan 62 at night na. Ayaw po yan 62. Patron na kami.
Bayaran nyo na muna.
Magbabayad ako na.
Thank you. Yeah. Ines. Look, mom. Thank you, Dad. Look, my jeepney pa. Magkano? Malaki. Magkano?
Let's go eat.
1,003. Maliit magkano? Ito. 180. That's cute. Pagay natin sa sala.
Aisa!
Panlaba. Saan tayong party time?
Party time.
Filipino hotdog. That's good.
Today's party. Party time. Sa pangahan.
Who's that?
Thank you.
That's Jaden?
Thank you,
Who's
Kuya.
that, Jaden?
Salamat.
Can't be him. Pork.
SM ulit. Elizabeth Travis, over here. Hi, buddy.
Eliza, matakaw.
Like it there?
Too much.
Gusto niya daw may experience daw dyan sa likod ng tricycle with daddy. Yeah. Nandun na tayo ulit. Time mo na natin. Kukunin din namin yung salamin ni ate. Ayan, punta rin tayo.
Make sure if you have got to bring loaf bread for our peanut butter jelly.
SM ulit. How was it, Joy?
Good. That's my first time sitting there.
You had fun?
Yeah. I liked it.
Liked it?
Yeah.
Kaya punta na tayo ng
Oh, yucky.
video para makuha na yung debit card na pinarenew. Hi, Dad!
Kenny Rogers? Oh, yeah, he has a restaurant in Philippines. You ready to eat chips with
That's enough.
Dominica's
Thank
got
you.
something straight up for dinner.
Nantay tayo sa akin.
She don't eat chicken? You need chicken? We're gonna let her taste it.
Good to go. Oh, no,
Hola. Hola, ni Thai. Salamat po.
Kaya.
guys. I'm being left out again.
Sinasabi pa kami sa radio. Kaya nakakain.
Guys, if you like my coffee,
Ano ba?
Everything is cute in here.
Sarap yan.
Ay, bago ba na Dunkin' Donuts?
Ayan.
Ano ba ito
Sarap yan,
national
girl.
bookstore here? We'll get you all kinds of stationery.
You guys are building a lot there. So,
Ako,
Yeah,
munchkin.
burger. For like 3 weeks straight.
Sayang wala ng strawberry.
Sige ba?
Pero
Trust me.
gusto ko sa... Meron ng malaki.
we gotta go Boracay.
Shit, Boracay.
Oh, welcome to...
Next year.
Salamat.
Next year.
Hug mo daw tataba.
Where's my mom? We're not going anywhere.
Are they looking?
We're gonna celebrate Rosa Balani's birthday and Mama's birthday. That's it.
Aren't you gonna kidnap her, right? We're gonna bring her. Mama? We're bringing her this year?
We'll see.
That's it. I'll be like Lola. Nice to meet you. I'm the adopted. What's your hobbies? Mine is eating, junior.
Palm Olive Ultra
Chicken.
is up to 99.9%
We'll
of
take her to the Palenque,
Now
which is
in a new
Island
Easy
Pacific.
What
Eliza
hobbies?
used to
What
work
hobbies
here.
would you do?
A broken windshield shouldn't wreck your schedule. With Safe Life, it doesn't have to. We'll come to you for free, so you can get your windshield fixed anywhere you want at no additional cost. For free mobile service, go to safelife.com.
Tubig lang ako.
I cannot take it. That was in the moment. I cannot take it.
Oh shit, you did double job while you were there?
Yeah, 2 weeks lang ako sa IP.
One more month.
Yeah, only 2 weeks.
Serious.
So just put them in.
I'm there. No, let me try it. They're gonna hire me right away. Oh, okay, let me try it. Okay, first. I said.
There. Made with real.
Guys, we're back at SM again and again. Travis, where are we?
And then we can go to the volleyball shop.
Hi, Dad.
You're gonna see so many nice dresses
Yan,
to
punta
buy.
namin sila, Lola. And si Seb, nasa baba ata sila.
You like cinnamon?
Aunt Ella. Si Joy.
Bye. Love you too.
You know the savory kind of girl. We got a Majestic, we'll eat shawarma.
Ito na yung ano.
Hello.
Better Girls Group.
Shawarma? Ay, shawarma?
Yeah. So $3 something bucks.
Walang shoot, di ba?
Tigan niya pa.
Nandito na sila. Kain tayo.
Wow, sarap niya, no?
Ay,
I can finish
Good.
that.
Oh,
What, you got?
I can finish that with the most. Kala lipid like bag ano lipid na lang lipid.
oh, sisig. Oh my God. We'll eat barbecue.
Wow, kapsul.
Alam mo daw, i-get ko kung bless ka lang.
No? Because I'm all because
Hindi, hindi lang naman place.
We eat at one day, but we give our own meal.
Order
I
one
have
back.
like fish.
no. If they wanna go the other food court, they can eat in there. They can eat whatever they want to eat.
smile, Joy. Come on.
Wicked, they don't like. I think they can take and take and they can go to Philippines.
Something is Filipino, isn't it?
Jollibee. You gotta go Jollibee.
Girl, an 8-piece bucket is like $10. Yeah, and you can get you a peach mango pie. But the thing is,
Yan, sinusubukan ka pa ng Lola.
worried because when you order it, they make it
There's no retail there.
dozens.
I don't know.
We'll just buy you like the liter of water at the electronic store, the grocery store. Oh my God. We'll get you a fan and then a hat. We'll get her a duster so you can enjoy the traditional dress. Isn't a duster like, what is that called in English? Just
Dress.
a dress. We'll get her a
Bye-bye.
dress.
Ingat kayo. Bye-bye.
Oh, we'll make you like that. We'll wake up 4 a.m. We'll go to the fish market.
I'm like going to Palenque.
It is nice.
What the heck, bro?
Only this man.
We do wow.
Wow.
We do wow. No, it's okay, bro. You just go like that. You're good at closing your nose. And you can haggle the price. Okay. That's 50 pesos. Make it 150 pesos.
Morning,
Okay?
guys. Breakfast tayo dito sa McDo. Yung ganisa for me. Pancake, hash brown.
Dia kita nak dapat doa ada spam.
Morning. Some breakfast. At Choco. This currently 8 a.m. Morning. And mag-inquire kami. Ano sa party ni Travis. Gusto niya daw kasi mag-birthday party. And gusto rin namin ma-experience niya yung birthday party dito.
I'm gonna do a Jollibee party, so we have Jollibee restaurants.
Not fast. Dito tayo sa Bambang.
You like Goldilocks sopa, bro?
Morning.
Sopa?
Nag-breakfast break lang kami ni Daddy.
Bangbangan.
Pajama pa.
Lagi.
Kaya nakapag-inquire na rin kami para sa birthday ni Chuy ko.
You just tell me what your favorite food is and then
Ramen and barbecue, that's what's it. Well, barbecue, that's what barbecue is. Barbecue and ramen.
then we gotta go do sushi. We'll do it the Kaizen and then we'll eat 16 plates together.
Travis, pancake. Ang lahat lang kami.
And then 8 years.
Bang,
It's like, wait,
hanggang sa bahay kasi malapit lang
I was so
naman. Bang, eh, yakal lang naman. Yakal Kaya mo na yan. Malaki ka na. Aileen mag-walking. Exercise. Hello. Hello. Ayan ako, may sisiw na siya. I think.
what is that?
What's his name again? I forgot.
Fishball and
His
any
name is
fishball.
Carlo,
Why
guys.
is that? Why is that moving?
Pick a real one.
I've never seen a chicken that yellow.
Meron siyang pink.
Wala pa chicken na yellow?
Purple.
Chicken on white.
No, may
That's a
yellow.
duck. That's a duck, right?
What color?
Yeah.
Ay, kung siya ang dami damit. Ito, okay. May tulong dito na. Alit na nila ang tulong. Nakanin na siya. Kasi siya kung ano maraming person. Sa pag-explain na namin mo siya. Uwan mo, okay?
Black.
Sige, black or
Black.